Hello you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and I do a bunch of fun productivity, lifestyle, some fashion hauls, just all of the goods here on my channel. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button below and come join all the fun. Alright, today I'm doing a little clean with me, organize the house, deep clean, sanitize, all the things because it freaking needs it. And what better reason to clean the house than make a video about it? You feel what I'm saying? Desperately need to pick up, clean, do all the good, sanitize. It's been a while, honestly, probably since the last video I made. It wasn't that long ago, guys. I'm not that dirty. I clean regularly, but a good deep cleaning needs to happen, so that's what we're doing today. Starting, we're just gonna do each room, get down and dirty, if you know what I mean. I'm just gonna get right into it. This is gonna be probably like 20 minutes of just deep cleaning the house, so enjoy.
There's something about you, there's something about the way that you move, dancing all alone in the pool. You took my heart a little too soon. There's something about you, I like it when you pull me real close. We try to keep each other afloat. We both know where this is gonna go. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night. You're a freak, you don't see, you're exactly what I like. Exactly what I like. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night. I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Alright, you guys, we are now moving on to the bedroom, and I just want to say that I'm aware it's bad, but it's because Cody did laundry, and so we just have like clothes everywhere here and on our chairs, so they really just need to be folded and put up. Disaster, I'm aware, but we're gonna tackle it because we're warriors.
Waking up feeling like it's gon' rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slowly, so slowly. And you ask if I'm always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do not know? It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere. Afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. You should have seen the way that you bloomed. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason Something about you, something about the way that you move. Dancing all alone in the pool. You took my heart a little too soon. There's something about you, I like it when you pull me real close. We try to keep each other afloat. We both know where this is gonna go. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night. You're a freak, you don't say, you're exactly what I like. Exactly what I like. With your hand on my cheek, going 95 at night.
I'm freaking beat. It is so hot outside, and so I literally am sweating to death. The air conditioning's on, and it's still probably 80 degrees in here. It's so freaking hot. Welcome to Texas. Clean the house. I don't know how much footage I got. I separated this into 2 days because I got busy yesterday. Really bright when I was originally filming this. All right, that's better. Yeah, I got busy yesterday when I was filming this, so I did the rest today. But the house is spotless. Hopefully y'all like this video, like these types of videos. I like being productive. I have a lot of life changes coming on. I'm gonna be working remotely, I got a new job, I'm gonna be getting married soon, so lots of fun, exciting type of content coming up. Hit that subscribe button below, and I will see you guys later.